The Advantech condition monitoring sensor provides a cost-effective way of monitoring motors, pumps, and other industrial equipment while following the ISO 10816 standard. It reduces risk of factory shutdown, requires no wiring, and can be installed by anybody. Target applications for this device include pumps, HVACs, fans, and conveyor belts. This device is IP66 rated, meets ISO 10816 standards, uses two 3.6 volt AA batteries, has 2 years of battery life, and has an operating temperature between -20 and 50 degrees Celsius. Included in the package is the WISE 2410 module, stud mount, magnetic base, and the quick start guide. Like with all of our devices, you simply scan the QR code to begin using the device on any platform. The data types included in this sensor are velocity RMS, acceleration RMS, peak acceleration, and temperature. When you first take this out of the box, you can tell that it's a really lightweight device and it's really small. It's 8 centimeters tall, just 4.5 centimeters in diameter. So what you're gonna wanna do first is pop the lid off here and insert the batteries in order to get it working. So you just simply twist this top off and you're left with two separate pieces. The base unit is where the AA batteries are held, and what you're going to want to do is take this out and place the batteries in. You want to be really careful with the wires not to break them or get them tangled. You take it out, you put the AA batteries in, and then you just reinsert it back into the base, and now you are ready to screw the lid back on and get it working again. When you screw the lid on, it's really important to make sure that the arrows line up. So you want to twist this all the way around until it's fully tight and the arrows are perfectly lined up, and then now you are ready to go. On the top of the device lid, there's a power button. You simply push the button and then you'll see the LED light turn on, and that's how you know the device has been powered on properly. On the side of the device, there's a gray housing. If you pop that open, you will see inside there is a port for a micro B USB interface. So you can plug in your USB cable into your computer to do configuration and programming on the device, or you can plug it into power and use it as a power source in the absence of AA batteries. There's actually 3 ways to install this device. There's a stud mount, a glue and mounting pad, and then the magnetic base. Here in front of me I have the magnetic base. On the bottom of the module there is an insert and it attaches to the magnetic base, and then you just simply screw it on and it connects very easily. And now what you have is the ability to magnetically connect this device to any piece of equipment and start receiving your data. On the bottom of the device, you'll notice the X and Y axis markers. These are used for installation. They simply tell you which direction to put the device against the motor so that you're installing it properly. The X needs to line up with the rotation of the motor, and then everything else will fall into place from there. With all that in mind, the device has so many features and so many tools, but at the end of the day, it's easy to use, it gets you up and running really quickly, it's cost effective, and it solves a major problem. My Devices provides hundreds of pre-programmed sensors from manufacturers all over the world. To learn more, visit our website, and to see more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel.